Navika, if the buck has to stop somewhere, first we have to identify what is the real reason which is behind the pollution. And the fact of the matter is that today, when we are talking, just 1 week ago, and I'm only going to quote facts on the show, taking a leaf out of Anand Ranganathan's book. Last Monday, AQI 354 overall. Last Sunday, 410. Last Saturday, 504. I don't think any Hindu was bursting crackers last Saturday, Sunday, or Monday. So therefore, firecrackers are not responsible. What is responsible for making Delhi a gas chamber? Primarily, it is, as per Mr. Kejriwal's 2018 statement, Punjab's Parali in this window of period where it contributes about 45%. And by the way, who's violating the Supreme Court orders? Twice the Supreme Court has come down heavily on Punjab Parali being burnt, but still yesterday and day before, we have seen 900,000 incidents of Parali burning. Overall in this season, 24,000 plus incidents of Parali burning. Mr. Kejriwal said that in 1 year I will control the Parali burning. It has gone up by 740%, but that is actually not the real reason. Let me tell you what the real reason of pollution in Delhi is, for which 9 years have passed, nothing has been done. 35% road dust. You remember the promise of sweeping of the roads by mechanized vacuum cleaners? Where are those vacuum cleaners? You and I, Navika, stay in South Delhi. Have you ever in your life seen a mechanized vacuum cleaner? Today, MCD is in hands of Mr. Kejriwal. Secondly, vehicular pollution. Navika, the central government gave metro. The central government gave Eastern-Western Peripheral Expressway, because of which 30-40,000 trucks are going outside Delhi. But tell me, what have they done for vehicular pollution to curb that? The last mile connectivity or the buses? Today, Delhi needs 13,000 buses. We have 7,000 buses. And that too, those buses, they keep breaking down because corruption has been done. They don't fix the buses. Thirdly, industrial and construction pollution. How many polluting industries and construction areas have been challaned over the last 2 months, 3 months, 4 months, or 6 months for polluting Delhi? No answer. Biomass burning that happens in Delhi. These are the major causes of pollution in Delhi. But Navika, as usual, Arvind Kejriwal and his ilk will blame everybody. Haryana, UP, Centre, Hindus, but they won't take the accountability on themselves. I have a final question, Navika. Forget everything else. Yamuna was supposed to be cleaned by 2020. Then in 2020, he says it will be cleaned by 2025. Usme kisne kaun dakhalandazi ki? Yamuna cleaning was solely his prerogative. He got 6,000 crores from the centre. Where is that money? So clearly, Arvind Kejriwal and the Aam Aadmi Party's polluted politics is responsible. And today they are taking no accountability. By the way, last statement. Where is that bio decomposer, Navika? You remember Mr. Kejriwal said bio decomposer छिड़क देंगे. दिल्ली में तो छिड़क दिया है. पंजाब में छिड़क देंगे. पंजाब की पराली का समस्या पूरा खत्म हो जाएगा. 23 करोड़ रुपए उसके विज्ञापन पर खर्च हुए. स्मोक टावर्स तो 8 महीने तक चल नहीं रहा था. मैं गया वहां पर, तब स्मोक टावर शुरू किया. आप मुझे बताइए कि ऑड इवन स्कीम के बारे में सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने क्या कहा कि इट इज अ बैंडेड लाइक situation when we need surgery. So the last 9 years of collective failure of Arvind Kejriwal is responsible for what is happening. Firecrackers is just a convenient scapegoat. By the way, firecrackers तो न्यू ईयर में भी बचते हैं. ये न्यू ईयर के फायरक्रैकर सेकुलर होते हैं क्या?
The figures of Central Pollution Control Board (CPCC), and as per the Central Pollution Control Board, on Sunday morning 7 a.m. the average AQI was 202. There are Central Pollution Control Board figures, and on Monday morning, that is today, the AQI was 305. Average I'm talking about. So in 1 day, there has not been so much Parali burning that AQI will go 100 odd points up. It was because of the Delhi firecrackers. And one thing about the Hindu, non-Hindu, New Year versus Diwali thing. Is the Supreme Court also considering only Diwali to be a target and not New Year to be a target? It was Supreme Court who has taken all these facts into consideration after the Supreme Court banned firecrackers. And we have seen the Bharatiya Janata Party leaders in Delhi tweeting that this is a democracy when we have the freedom when we break firecracker ban and we burn firecrackers. You know why I'm unable to understand why this is blockheaded attitude of this Bharatiya Janata Party people who are just polluting the environment and then saying that why the pollution is happening. One last point, Sharad Punawala was talking about the smoke towers. You know, it was Ashwini Kumar, the DPCC chairman, after whom, when he came, after which the smoke towers were closed down. He did not pay IIT Delhi 2 crore amount for the smoke towers in Anand Bihar and Connaught Place. Why they are not questioning DPCC chairman Ashwini Kumar? Why they are questioning only the Delhi government? They should have asked the LG to be removed, as the Kejriwal government has said it to the environment minister. And one thing, I am telling you, Navika ji, today everybody will talk about rhetoric, including Anand Ranganathan ji, not facts. Facts only is told by me.
Point number one is, Navika, if I was the Chief Justice of India, I would have, without blinking an eye, thrown Mr. Kejriwal and Mr. Bhagwant Mann into jail for contempt of Supreme Court order of 2020 that said even if there is one farm fire, we will take the entire Punjab administration to task and everyone would be behind bars. So I would throw them in jail. But if I was the President of India, I would throw jail. I would first for not caring about his, and secondly, no doubt I have tremendous respect for the Supreme Court. I would respectfully, that is what I mean to say. Because what is he doing? He, along with every politician, is playing with not just our lives. We don't care, our 3/4, maybe more of our lives are done for. Every day, 932 babies are born in Delhi. Navika, they are breathing the same air. 10 days ago, the AQI was 999. Was there Diwali then? Dr. Akashdeep Muni is talking about something that is not relevant to facts at all. Let me just give you the facts and only the facts. 21.5% of Delhi pollution is to do with weather patterns and the way the air is blowing. 35 to 40% of Delhi pollution is to do with the fact of parali burning in Punjab and Haryana, mostly Punjab. An area of 17,000 square kilometers has been on fire over the past 20 days, continuously, right next to Delhi. 35 million tons of parali has been burnt. These are percent of vehicular pollution. Car pollution is responsible for the Delhi pollution. So odd even will bring it down to just 1%. These people should be behind bars for not addressing the Punjab parali burning. That Kejriwal is on record saying that is the primary responsible thing for factor for Delhi pollution. But then Congress was ruling Punjab. That is what Kejriwal said. And immediately after AAP came to power, they are saying Punjab is too far off. Punjab is not responsible. Shahzad might show you the video of Kejriwal saying on record that Punjab is responsible, parali burning is responsible. And he is right. That is responsible. But rather than looking at what he can do, what Punjab can do, what Supreme Court must implement, we are looking at stopgap arrangements, and people like Tehseen Poonawalla run away to Pune for clean air without worrying about us poor Delhiites here. In an equivalence that hypocrites never do. They only talk about Hindu festivals. They don't talk about festivals of other religions. So there was nothing bigoted about it. Of course, when you cull more animals, so many more on one single day, it leads to pollution of another kind. Yes, it does. That's why beef eating is considered now a no-go area in many Western countries because it contributes to pollution. Now, number two, Navika, we can deliberate on this till cows come home. Unless or until a chief minister is packed off and sent to jail, nothing will happen.
Navika, I quote Times of India, you may fact check me. The 10 most polluted cities in India. Arvind Kejriwal's New Delhi, Faridabad, BJP, right? Ghaziabad, BJP, right? Hissar, BJP, right? Gurgaon, Gurugram, BJP, right? Noida, BJP, right? Rohtak, BJP, right? Sonipat, BJP, right? Bhiwani, BJP, right? Meerut, BJP, right? I am saying, please, if Anand wants to escort Arvind Kejriwal to jail, please do that. What about the remaining chief ministers? What about the Honorable Prime Minister? The cause of us keeping quiet today in Delhi is PM. And by PM, I mean PM 10, PM 2.5. That's causing that, and the central government is responsible for having a coordination meeting. I'm asking you, Navika, how many coordination meetings between the states have been had? As much as the Prime Minister's press conference is zero. Delhi's pollution is because it's a landlocked city.
हवा की स्थिति इसलिए ठीक हुई थी क्योंकि बरसात हुई थी, तो भगवान भरोसे वो ठीक हुआ। दूसरी बात, मैं आपको आज आंकड़ों के साथ, क्योंकि विमलेंदु और आनंद रंगनाथन जैसे लोग बैठे हैं पैनल पर, उनको बहकाया नहीं जा सकता। 8 बजे कल रात को पटाखे जलने शुरू हुए आनंद विहार में। AQI 286 8 बजे, 10 बजे 294, 12 बजे 300, 2 बजे सुबह 291, 8 बजे 312। ओवरऑल AQI इंडेक्स जो अभी मुनि जी ने बताया 303। पिछले सप्ताह ये AQI आनंद विहार का उठा लो 450 से ऊपर था, तब कौन से पटाखे थे? दूसरी बात मैं पूछना चाहता हूं, विमलेंदु जी ने एक बहुत सही बात कही कि माय राइट टू ब्रीथ इज बेटर देन माय इंपॉर्टेंट देन माय राइट टू रिलीजन। बहुत अच्छी बात है। पेड़ कटने से भी तो वायु प्रदूषण होता है ना, तो फिर पेड़ कटना बंद कर देना चाहिए दिसंबर के एक त्योहार पे। और मुझे बताइए कि एनिमल सैक्रिफाइस से GHG भी बढ़ता है ना, ग्रीन हाउस गैस एमिशन, तो फिर दूसरे का पर्व आता है जहां पर एनिमल सैक्रिफाइस होता है, वो भी बंद करवाते हैं ना। मैं ठीक, इफ वी आर स्टॉपिंग ऑल द फेस्टिवल्स का एनवायरमेंटली डेंजरस प्रैक्टिसेस, आई एम फॉर इट। पर पूरे दिन दिल्ली का पोल्यूशन, जिसका मेन कॉज विमलेंदु ने बताया कि पोल्यूशन है, डस्ट है, व्हीकुलर है, पराली है, उसको निचोड़कर केवल क्रैकर्स को टारगेट करना, और वो भी क्रैकर्स को केवल दिवाली के एक दिन। इन पंजाब डज नॉट गिव द एरिया अंडर फायर, इट गिव्स द इंसिडेंट्स। मतलब कि पहले 40,000 हुए, अब 24,000 हुए, तो देखिए हमने कितनी बड़ी उपलब्धि की। पर भाई 24,000 में ज्यादा एरिया बर्न कर रहे हो, इसीलिए आज स्थिति विकट है। दूसरी बात, आनंद जी नोज दैट व्हाइल दिस इज एन इशू अक्रॉस द कंट्री, द parali burning, but this is a strictly a state subject. So the center has a very limited way to intervene in this, and therefore we, as the center, let me tell you what we have done and what we could do. We have advised all the states to purchase the machines. We have given them funding, especially to Punjab and to Haryana. Haryana is contributing hardly 1,000 incidents. Punjab is contributing much more. We have given them 1,300 crore rupees. Apart from that, in Delhi, we have taken the green cover up from 10% to 23%. We have built the metro. We have built the Eastern Western Peripheral Expressway. The CAQM is our giving, which has now implemented GRAB 4. All of this center is doing. Delhi government is not doing it, and Punjab government or all the other governments should tell us. Agriculture is a state subject. What are they doing about parali? What are they doing about changing crop patterns? Statement we should remember.
लेके आएंगे, हैप्पी सीडर भी लेके आएंगे, क्रॉप डाइवर्सिफिकेशन की जरूरत है वो भी करेंगे। सारी चीजों के ऊपर काम अभी पैरेलली चल रहा है। अगले साल में तो अगला सीजन ही होगा। अगले सीजन में आपको ये तकलीफ होनी, लेकिन हम कोशिश,
अगले साल ये तकलीफ होनी नहीं चाहिए। पिछले साल बोला था, अब बताइए अगला साल तो आ गया भाई। पंजाब में पराली जल क्यों रही है, इसका कोई जवाब नहीं। दूसरी बात, मैं तहसीन पूनावाला से पूछना चाहता हूं कि क्या क्रैकरलेस दिवाली हिंदू करे, वाटरलेस होली हिंदू करे, और आपको एक बार मैंने बोल दिया एनिमल लेस आप एक त्योहार मना लो, या आप एक ट्री कटिंग लेस से एक त्योहार मना लो, तो नहीं, ये तो बिगेटेड हो गया। क्यों भाई? आर यू सेइंग कटिंग